So if you have a phone with a lower tier of storage, then I would take a fair guess that you have ran into the situation where your storage has unfortunately run out. Whether you're trying to take a photo, take a video, or download an app, and your storage is full, it's extremely inconvenient. But luckily there is a free all-in-one tool that you can download on your iPhone. This one app I'm about to show you can literally let you scan through your photos extremely fast, delete unwanted files, and also transfer files from an iPhone to a PC or an Android device. And this app is called
iCareFone. It's a free app that you can get on the App Store for your iPhone, and it allows you to just go through so many different things and organize. We'll start off with the photos. If we actually tap on the top here, we have a photo organization. We can swipe between the photos, and we can actually swipe away what we don't want and choose what we want to keep, and we can go on the recycle bin and we can either recover ones we've accidentally deleted or delete them, which is really good. You've also got some options to organize photos like oversized photos, screenshots, similar photos, blurred photos, photo compression, or remove GPS metadata from a photo. You can also go into burst photos, GIF images, and live photos. If we tap oversized photos, it will scan through my camera roll and it will let me know what seems to be oversized. Now you can see that I have a lot of things that are oversized, and this is where it's really helpful, because if I want to make these photos less sized, I can tap on this release button in the top right, and that will actually compress the photos, but it'll still keep the quality at a really good look, so you won't even really notice the difference unless you really look. These are mostly raw photos. Similar photos is very helpful. It just shows all photos that are similar to each other, and I can delete them, which is extremely helpful. Blurred photos is another helpful thing. So blurry photos, I can delete them because not everyone wants blurry photos all the time. And if I just want to go in and compress any photo I want, I can tap onto photo compression and it will scan through my photos that need compressing. Now if I press remove GPS, this is one thing if you don't want the GPS metadata on some photos. So if you want to share a photo and have the metadata on it and not have people find out where it was taken, this is a good privacy setting. So I can go into these photos and I can remove the GPS. We've also got folders for our burst photos, GIFs, and live photos as I showed before. And we also have some video organization tools. We can look at our large videos that are taking up a big chunk of space, and we can review them and see if we actually want to keep them or not. And we can also compress videos as well, which is very helpful. So if there is a video that's taking up a ridiculous amount of space, we can compress it and it'll take up a little bit less. Now this is where the app really shines in functionality. If I tap Wi-Fi transfer, I'll be able to connect to an Android or a PC, which is extremely helpful. Now I have a Mac and I have an iPad, so I can just use AirDrop, but let's say I have a Windows PC or an Android phone, I'll be able to use this feature to link my devices and share files seamlessly. And then if there's just things that are kind of taking up junk on your phone, that's where cleaning comes in. This is a full smart clean where it will scan my device and automatically give me suggestions of things I need to clean. Check it out. So this is an amazing all-in-one tool to clear my similar photos, blurred photos, GIF images, empty albums, so on, and my calendars and contacts. Contacts is really good. I won't dive into it just so I don't leak everything, but I can choose similar contacts, incomplete contacts without phone numbers, or all of my contacts. This is extremely helpful, and you can also go through and select what you want to do. Make sure you review this so you don't accidentally delete what you don't want to delete. So that is iCareFone, probably one of my favorite iPhone apps at the moment, just because I can easily delete everything that I do not need. It makes everything so easy, especially the smart cleaning feature. I've got a link down below if you are interested to this app. And thank you Tenorshare, and thanks Tenorshare for making this possible. I'll see you in the next one.